Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. I'm really excited to walk you through this dashboard, which I designed to monitor and analyze energy consumption and resource overall. So across multiple buildings we have here, the idea is to make complex data simple, visual, and actionable. So something you can actually use to make decisions, not just look at numbers. So the dashboard I built is around 4 main spreadsheets. We have the overview sheet and 3 resource-specific sheets for, as you might see here. And we have here water consumption dashboard, then the electricity consumption dashboard, and finally the gas consumption dashboard, as you might see over here. So basically, coming back to the overview dashboard, so each sheet follows the same structure. So once you understand one, you can quickly navigate the other. So starting by the overview, this sheet gives you high level of analysis for all resources across all buildings. You can immediately see total consumption here. You can see like per square foot or cost, for example, distribution, trends over time. So it is designed to answer the question or the key questions right away. Which buildings are consuming the most? Which resource are the largest cost drivers? And where should we focus our efforts? Moving into the resource-specific sheets, we start, for example, with water, which is the largest share of consumption. Here, the KPIs allow us to break down the usage by buildings, by type, and over time. So we can quickly spot what goes wrong and patterns and areas where efficiency measures are working or could be improved. Electricity and gas follow the same logic, making it easy to compare resources. Like here, as you might see, if we can just watch for the same principle as electricity, we have the cost, total cost, which per unit and per city and building. And we can see here at the bottom the evolution of the costs of electricity over the 4 years from 2020 to 2023. And basically, it is the same principle for gas consumption, which is also the same architecture. You have the total gas consumption and by city and by buildings, and then at the bottom the same, which is comparison between the consumption over years, like the evolution. What I like the most about this dashboard is it's what bridges the gap between data and decisions. So the KPI that I used are not just numbers, they tell something to improve, something to take in consideration for operational expenditures. So they help us to understand performance, highlights opportunities, and ultimately drive smarter, more efficient and decisions. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.